Math reviewer number 3, quantity 10 minus 6 squared plus 16 divided by 4 times 6 minus 10 plus 2. So this is about PEMDAS or order of preparation. So PEMDAS, so parenthesis first or order of grouping, we have exponent, multiplication and division from left to right, and then addition and subtraction from left to right. So we're going to start with parentheses. So evaluate this first. So 10 minus 6, so that is equal to 4. Then copy the rest. So we have 4 squared plus 16 divided by 4 times 6 minus 14 plus 2. Then next is the exponent. Letter E is the exponent. So let's evaluate this 4 squared. So 4 times 4, we have 16 plus 16 divided by 4 times 6 minus 14 plus 2. And then we have MDAS, multiplication and division from left to right. So first to evaluate is 16 divided by 4. So we have 16 plus 16 divided by 4, that is equal to 4 times 6 minus 14 plus 2. Then next operation is multiplication. So 4 times 6, so that is equal to 24. So we have 16 plus 24 minus 14 plus 2. Then we have addition and subtraction from left to right. So we have 16 plus 24, that is equal to 40 minus 14 plus 2. So 40 minus 14, that is equal to 26 plus 2. So the final answer is 26 plus 2, 28. Okay, follow for more.